Today we are back on my kitchen floor. We're going to deal with this corner cupboard and this narrow cupboard here. The other day I did the far corner cupboard and it had all of these huge protein powder big things. It made it impossible to turn. So we took all of those out of there. They don't belong. We are going to put them in here, which means all the miscellaneous strange stuff that's in here, we've got to get out, organize what's in here, because I know that this corner cupboard is also a mess. So we're going to purge, minimalize, declutter, and organize. Can't always just get rid of everything. My family likes their protein powder, so we're going to keep the protein powder. We are just going to put it in a better spot. That's what happens when you live somewhere for a long time. It's just always been there. It's always been in the other cupboard. Even though it didn't suit the other cupboard, it made it hard for the other cupboard to be functional. It's just where it always was. It's time to change it up, put it somewhere much more functional. Let's empty this out and get going. 2 bottles of vinegar, both of them opened. That's not necessary. So just like before when I did my spice cabinet, this is a movable shelf. So if it didn't suit me, I could move it up or even down a little bit, whichever suited me better. Look in your cabinets. If you can move these shelves and it suits it better, don't just live with it the way it is. It doesn't take much. These are easy to move. This is perfect. All of the protein for their drinks before they go to the gym and after they come back from the gym is all in there. They'll use up these little bags before they start on other ones, which didn't always happen in the corner cupboard. Now we can move on to in here. Let's empty everything out and see where we're at. What I'm finding with going through a lot of my cupboards is there's doubles of things. Like I said before, we've got 2 vinegars. We didn't finish one granola and we opened and started another granola. Oatmeal. I don't know how many open things of oatmeal we need. So let's combine things, put them back together. I may not be going to purge anything, but it will be organized. And I will know what I have and where it's at, and it will be where it belongs. No more doubles. If I put the open bag where it's easy to get, and I put the full unopened bag far at the back, we're more likely to finish this one first before we start a new one. By we, meaning my family, my children. One of these can go downstairs in the laundry. See, we have 2 opened ones. Let's finish one before we open another one. Children, I'm talking to you. Done. Easy. Other things are going to other places where they belong. We combined things. We know what we have. We're not going to buy doubles. And it was quick. It was easy. Another day, another 2 cupboards are finished.